Hey guys, what's going on? In this video today, we're going to be talking about text marketing and how to recover abandoned checkouts using text messages. All right. So what you want to do is you want to go to the Shopify App Store again and search for SMS Bump. Go ahead and install the app by clicking Add App. Once you do that, it's going to prompt you with a bunch of questions. You could skip those questions and head straight to the back end right here of the app. What you're going to want to do from here, guys, is you're going to have to set up your TCPA GDPR compliance. If you click View Guide, it actually shows you everything step by step that you need to do. Basically, it's just stuff in your settings in the back end of your Shopify store with your checkout. So make sure you follow these steps. They're very simple, step by step. I'm not going to go over them because this literally lays it out better than I could. So go ahead and just follow this step by step. Once you've completed all the steps to this, you can go ahead and head back to the app. There's a couple things you want to set up here in the app, okay? You're going to want to create a form. And basically what this form does is it allows you to collect subscribers. And you do this by having a little form that entices them to opt in, basically. So I already created this real quick. I'm just going to show you, what it looks like. Okay, be a VIP, get exclusive offers and discounts, be in the know, get the latest tips and tricks. Oops, I didn't edit that. Okay, so I went ahead and edited it. Be a VIP, get exclusive offers and discounts, be the first to be notified. They can select their country, enter their phone number, and click subscribe. Now that's for the desktop version. This is iPad, which is going to be the same pretty much. And then phone is going to be a little bit different. When they click tap to subscribe, it's just going to take them to, if they're on their phone, it's going to just take them to their text messages, and they can prompt to send the text message to subscribe. And I recommend definitely having this on the bottom left side. You can do so by clicking trigger button, and then you could see here left. You don't want it on the right because it's going to clash with your description and stuff, and you don't want it in the center. I would just put it on the left side. This is what it will look like on desktop. On mobile, it'll just look like this. They open it, click tap to subscribe, and then it, like I said, it prompts them on their phone to send a text message. And you could test all this, guys. Make sure you test all this when you publish it and stuff. Just go use your phone and your desktop computer to test this. Make sure it's working correctly. So what you're going to want to do from here is go ahead and head over to automations. These are basically automated text messages that go out to your customers, and you can create different ones. So the most important ones are going to be your abandoned cart ones, right? So I have 3 set up here. I have one that goes out 15 minutes after they abandon the checkout. And then I have one after 10 hours and then one after 24 hours, right? Then basically I stop. If they don't buy by then you could target them later on. All right. So what you want to do here, okay, is when you set this up, and I'll go ahead and add a template for you guys for the first email, second email, next email in a doc. So you can go ahead and just basically copy it and put it in your email, or I'm sorry, your text abandoned checkouts. Okay. So what you want to do here is basically you're going to go in, label this. And when you first come in here, this is going to be disabled, the delay. You're going to want to enable it and put the time here, right? 15 minutes. You don't need to attach a GIF, image or GIF, and then you want to fill this out, right? And I'll give you a template on how to do this. You're going to also want to always add a discount code. It's just going to make your conversion a lot better. So you would click add discount code, fixed amount, and click, put in whatever discount code you want. I recommend doing, between 10 to 15%, and you can increase the discounts the longer you wait, right? So for example, this one, you could start at 10%, and then for the 10-hour one, you could do 15%, and then 24-hour one, you could do, 20%. All right. So you want to click add discount code. You want to make sure you add stop to opt out, just so they know how to opt out. Click save. And then you're going to want to do the same thing for these, right? The 10-hour and 24-hour. And then, like I said, we'll have templates for that where you can see what you should put in the body of the text, and you could basically copy and paste and then go from there. This one is basically what I was going over earlier, where if they click on it and put their information, this will just, you know, this is the welcome message that they basically get. So what you want to do here is there wouldn't be a delay. They'd get the message right away. You can edit this how you want. You know, thanks for registering for, and it puts your store name, VIP Club. Your 5% discount code is, you know, blah blah blah, and then good for all purchases on our site. Click here to claim, and then, you know, you put the discount URL, stop to opt out. You could also put that it expires, you know, and expires in 24 hours or something. Okay, so that's pretty much it for your automations. SMS campaigns are basically, like, say you got like 10,000 subscribers over a span of a certain time. You could blast them with a certain campaign, like say a new product launch or a big sale or what have you. All right. List and segments are basically lists and segments that SMS Bump has created for you, and you could also blast them with different email campaigns by going here, send campaign, and that's what really they're useful for. Super important to implement, guys, because this is what's going to have the highest abandoned cart recovery rate, because, you know, most people shop on their phones, you know, and texting, you know, and all that stuff. It works a lot better than email marketing. So every industry, you know, is different. Email marketing works as well. Personally, to me, I feel it doesn't work as well as text marketing, but it just kind of depends on your industry, you know. If you have older people in your industry, email marketing might work better than SMS Bump or text marketing, you know, and vice versa. So that's the whole point of this, guys. We're testing things out, and you're going to see what works best for your store, and then you're going to scale it, right? All right, that's pretty much it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.